Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones. It's been a long time since y'all seen me, and during this time we've had a lot to go on with drone bans or with them not allowing drones in the States. So during this time period, I've been looking for possible alternatives to the DJI platform. Now, as you know, it's not too many out there, but I found one that's not too bad, and that one is the Potensic Atom 2. I know they just made a Potensic Atom 3, but that may not be coming to the States. But I got the fly mode combo of the Potensic Atom 2, and as you can see, this guy's small. It's like the mini series, fits right in your hand. And what a lot of drone companies, the DJIs have, that a lot of drone companies don't have, is a dedicated controller with a screen. So this came with this, forget the name of it, but it came in a bundle, so I don't have to use my phone. This little guy shoots 4K 30, no obstacle avoidance, but it does up to 8K photos. Really just a gimmick, quad band sensor, but the photos look great on it. Video looks pretty solid. It holds its position very well. The only gripe that I have about this is, I know you're not supposed to go beyond line of sight, but if you don't have the controller pointed in the direction it is, you may get a warning that says RC signal strength low. But this thing is great. 4K 30. It shoots vertical video as well. It won't shoot it in 4K 30. 2.7K or 1080p. It will shoot vertical video. Now the gimbal on this doesn't actually turn like the Mini, but they do it in the software. And I mean, that's great for a drone of this price and a drone of this size. Vertical video is the way to go, especially if you're a content creator or you just want to get some good videos, some photos. One feature that this thing has that I did like, it's not on too many drones, it's on the Mavic 4 Pro, and that's the gimbal roll. So what theirs is called on the Atom 2 is center roll. Now of course the gimbal doesn't roll 360 degrees like on the Mavic 4, but they do it in post. The software makes the video flip over, and it's a pretty cool shot. It's like a quick shot though. You don't have control over the drone while it's doing it. It flies in a straight path. You set the parameters and it flies and it makes that flip. I'm gonna show you a video of it right now to see how you like the gimbal roll. Overall, the feel of the Atom 2, the controller, nice sturdy controller, nice size. I like the way the sticks feel. I'm not giving up DJI, but I'll take this with me. Now folding out of this guy, it folds front to front, and back to back. I didn't have a Mini, so I don't know if the Mini folds down or not. But this is a good alternative to DJI. Unfortunately, it is a Chinese company, but it's not on the ban list, but it is a Chinese company. So if you like this video, or if you like the Atom 2, hit a like, comment what you like about it, or comment what you don't like about it. If you like what you see on my channel at all, subscribe. Well, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to give y'all some information about a new potential drone you can use other than DJI. If you have any other comments or any other products that we should try or any other brands, just let me know. I love DJI to death, but them not bringing new products into the States, we got to find some alternatives. Well, signing off from Eye in the Sky Drones. As always, be safe and have fun flying.